Hello everyone, back at it again. 2020 Chevy Trax. So AC was not working. It was working when the guy did a delivery. The guy did a delivery driver and continued to Uber. AC was working. He shut the car down. Went to go back in it. The AC stopped working. So what we got here, the ambient air temperature sensor, short to battery or open. Usually you get this code from what I've seen is when the car has been hit up front. So what happens is the ambient air sensor is here. Line goes through the bumper and connects over here somewhere inside. So you do have to take the bumper off to get to it. But before I did any of that, seen the code, went back here. So let me into the data. And at first, this was at negative 38. So at negative 38, the car is saying it's way too cold outside for you to have AC. Put the window down. I'm just joking. But with the reading negative 38, it's not gonna turn on the air compressor. So before I decided to take any of the bumpers off or anything like that, I went into, got out of here, went into the module setup, I believe. You can bus refrigeration, learn, hit that, relearned it. Now I got positive for the temperature at 140. As you can see here, AC came back on. But we might have to replace that sensor. Customer did also told me, got some more information on it, that this was hit on this side, and it was at the body shop for about a month. So first things first, try to get as much as information, especially when you're seeing that code, see the car's been hit. So even after I did that, it still gave me 140 as the temperature. So we're probably going to just replace that temperature sensor at first and go from there. But as of now, we do have AC on the car. Hopefully that helps. And I'll catch you in the next one.